I never like kids. I mean,
hello my people, I greet the full house from a touchable mama host son and they fine. Una do well, so na tell the help me to the share, comment, like, God go bless una. I appreciate una well. My people, this video one and the one, so I go put the full video for now. Una listen to wetin this girl talk. Okay? The thing really shocked me one kind because you know say we black. Normally we know they think like this. It is normal to hear from Oyibo where go they talk say you know like children. You know one get. You know want at all. You know they support them at all. You know understand? You know say sometimes we black we know they feel the we know fit all this kind thing come out. It get as it be. So as I just dey waka for social media, now I can see this video where this girl they talk about say she not like children and she don't decide say she not go born. Okay? Say she not go born, she not like them. She just want to be like auntie to them. Maybe their mother not their house. She fit take care of those children. But say she want born in old Pikin. Say she not go born like. The thing really shocked me because I was like, oh my God. For our own black, you know, say to talk this kind thing, it get as it be, for it because now we black. It get the way we take the reason, get the way we take the talk. You go here and for Igbo go they talk and say not be saying no go no fit born, but it no need down. It no need down. Thought the stress is too much. This one, that one, this same thing. This girl they talk about now. Sometimes, all these things now your choice. Anyway, anybody will feel decide say maybe he don't like. Say make it born. Maybe with time, if you change your mind. Because like this girl now, she never, maybe she go be maybe 25 or maybe 30. You know, I believe say maybe 25 or 23. That age now she go dead. So the way when she talk the thing, it really shocked me for real. I say, okay, me I bring her, come on and still see the way she talk. I bet more no insult time for now watch this video because everybody get the way where they take the reason, everybody get the way where they take the think. Now hope opinion, now life, you feel decide say you don't need to born any pikin, but maybe in the future you can still change mind. Like some people where they will talk say they don't want marry, like they not go marry, but with time they will still change their mind. Or now understand if you change their mind because as I see this video I was like, oh my God. For black person to say this kind of thing, he mother, when a mother go here, whether he still get mother, he go like shock and one kind say, what did they go on? What did they happen? You know, for our own, the way we say they behave with the black people. Or he bought there, the feel just say they not they do, nothing they happen, you know. So me I put the video for now, Mona watch her. Mona still live in our opinion without no insult to the girl. Now our life, now our choice. It's like somebody will go decide say, may you want born 4 children or 7 children. Now in life also go they go say now only 1 or 2. Now what he like, you know. But I believe say with time maybe she go change her mind. Say okay, even though say now 1 or 2, you go like her. Maybe now what she see for life or nice still make her say no, she not like children. You know say sometimes some mama they go born many children. You will be say now you be the senior, now you go take care of all the old children. You can't be like mama to them. It still fit be. So nobody know waiting make and talk these things. So may I put the video more and watch and thank you for being here. I really appreciate you. So now they follow me, they watch, like, comment, even the anyone. All na support. I like the support one that they give me. Una bye bye. May we watch this video.
I never like kids. I mean, children are the symbol of purity and beauty and fun. But I just don't like being around them. I go out of my way to just avoid them. God, this contact lens is really fucking me up. What the hell? This contact lens is really fucking me up. I go out of my way to avoid them. I don't like children. I really don't. And I don't know why. I don't like them. Children are a gift from God. Children are loved and protected and all that bullshit. But that is one thing that I will not want to have. I do not understand the obsession most people have with wanting to have children. Do you think after shitting out children from in between your legs, that's where it ends? You have to constantly keep taking care of this human being till he or she is 18 years of age. And after, you even have to go beyond that too. And I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 times out of 10, things always go horribly wrong. Most parents just assume that it's just monetary providence you have to do for the children, but you have to take care of them emotionally, spiritually, mentally. And sometimes, because a child's mind is so fragile, you guys end up fucking up the child or the mind. I mean, the mind of the child. You end up fucking up the mind of the child for in an indefinite period of time. So you see why I personally tend to stay away from them, and I just don't know. I don't think I want to have, because look at me. I can't even care for myself, and the more I look at myself, the more I realize that there ain't no way I'm dragging my child into this bullshit. I'm content being the big auntie and the big mommy. I will happily be your big mommy and look after your kids, maybe for the holidays. But anything past holidays, please carry your child and go home. I will happily do that for you. But if it's that undeniable urge to have children, I don't have it inside of me. I know some African aunties will be like, I'm just talking nonsense. I'm really telling you the truth. I really don't have it inside of me. I'm 21. Don't tell me that I don't know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. I've had a very long time to think about it, and my answer is still. I feel like most of you should tell yourself the truth in terms of whether you're mentally ready. Now imagine you're already married, medium-class citizens, because it's kind of, I don't want to use the rich as an example. Medium-class citizens, you spend a lot of money trying to maintain that pregnancy. Your wife gives birth. You basically are still owing money just because your wife is giving birth. So you're basically still owing. And the child, for the first 2 weeks, the euphoria about having the child is, yay, a baby. But after some time, I'm not going to talk about the men, but the women. There's something called postpartum stress disorder, PTSD. No, that is post-traumatic postpartum stress disorder. Like, if you ask these women, those women that literally have that stress disorder thing going on, they literally want to kill their babies. No, it is the truth. They don't want to say it because the society is going to look at them as this thing. There's this trauma that comes with having a child. When the child is constantly crying, there are some women who have actually murdered their own children out of they could not bear the crying anymore. They couldn't bear the crying anymore. They couldn't take it. That is the truth I want you to tell yourself. That is the truth I want women to be telling them. I need you to tell yourself the truth. I need you to tell yourself the truth and ask yourself, can you handle it? I've told myself that truth, and I see that I can never handle it. And when you start telling yourself the truth, see, there is nothing wrong if you don't have children. Your life's purpose does not hinge around not having children. That's not what you were meant for. You will not die. Your value will not decrease. Your value as a person is not tied to having children. Don't allow people to be telling you what you're supposed to be. The moment you start telling yourself the truth, am I ready to have children? Am I ready for the stress? Am I ready for the emotional and mental drawbacks? Am I ready? If the answer is no, then stay away from having children. There's nothing wrong with there is nothing wrong with not having kids. You need to start telling yourself the truth. And I feel like once you start telling yourself the truth, it will be better for them. Now imagine now, this constant crying, you raise the child, you have to like tell the child, teach the child this, do this, that, do that, all of that. And 9 times out of 10, they end up doing rubbish. But it's normal for a child. Like, I don't blame children, because me too, I've done a lot of rubbish. I won't blame children for doing that. They're children. They're supposed to do that. But I'm not ready for that stress. I looked at myself and I saw that I'm not ready. I saw it and I felt like I'd be one of those mothers who couldn't take it anymore and flung their child outside. Like, I would do it because I just can't do it. It is the truth. If my child cried too much, I fling the child outside. I say, take it back. Fling it, throw it back. Throw it away. Because I can't take it. Do you understand? Tell yourself the truth. And this is my truth. I can't take it. I'll fling the child outside. I won't even care. I'll fling the child outside. I'm not wicked. I don't have any issue with your advice. I'm looking at it and I think that's a good reason. But I cannot have children for a selfish reason. Just because I'm afraid of being abandoned. I will not have children to keep me company during my old age. Children also abandon their parents. See, ma, what you are failing to get is that it's not having the children that is the issue. I will never spit on the face of motherhood. I feel motherhood is a beautiful thing to have. But there are some people who just are not equipped to do that. And I'm not among those people who are actually been equipped to do that. Like, I'm not equipped for that kind of life, ma. Family and friends. Well, see, I don't have friends. And my family members, I don't even talk to them. It's not that they did anything to me. I just can't bring myself to care about anybody. So if it's old age, I know that my old age I'm going to be alone and nobody's going to be beside me. I've already accepted that.